Hello, welcome to the taste test. Here we go. So first we have Silk Dairy-Free Strawberry. Let's try this one. Just you lick this.
You want me to take a spoon from here? Okay.
That's really watery. It's very tangy. Oh no.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. That's not bad.
Not bad.
But then we should put it in a cup so we don't waste this.
You're right.
That was okay. So I put
That
it
one. Yeah, I see what you say.
You just stick it a spoonful in here.
Okay, next we have coconut milk.
That won't hurt.
This one's a raspberry one.
We need another couple spoons.
I like this one better. A little more creamy and more neutral flavoring. It's not as watery.
It has more of a fruity,
It's more fruity, yeah.
Yeah, this is more like a gelato flavor.
That one's good.
Very good.
I like that one better than the other one.
Okay.
Okay, next. This is Yeah. This is by Silk also. This is mixed berry. Oh, this one's more. The other two are thick, and this one's more gelatinous, I'd say. Oh. Oh.
Ooh.
No.
That's not good at all.
Not good.
This
That
one's
was
good.
worse.
That's the worst one.
The coconut milk's the best.
That's bad.
This one I think I've had before. This is Silk almond milk. I think this one was good.
I think
This one is the thickest of all of them. Still needs like a mixing.
Wow, that was really strange how this
That
was
one
so
was
bad.
gross.
Ooh, that was yucky.
This one's thicker. More like a yogurty.
And it's different than this one? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this one's almond milk. But those three are by Silk anyways. But this one looks thicker. Here. I didn't take that one. That one's... I like it.
No.
I don't know.
I
No.
don't like that. I don't like the last
I
two.
don't know. This one's thicker, but like it tastes weird.
I don't think it's good. I don't like it. Why don't I like it? It's got like a bitter taste.
It's peachy though. I don't know.
It is peachy. It's just...
Not good. Okay. This one's the best.
Okay.
This one.
So
what
what
we
kind
like
is that?
best. Coconut milk. Raspberry. I guess we could try other flavors of it though.
This is so delicious.
How would you rate them? How would you rate them on order of what you liked best?
That one was the best.
This
It would
one?
be this one, I think.
This one, then this one,
Yeah. And then the peach one.
then the peach one. Oat milk was terrible. Never buy that one.
So delight.
Ew.
Delicious.
We're doing a taste test, yeah.
So delicious. Okay.
Welcome to our taste test.
You can try it. These are non-dairy.
They're non-dairy.
Ew.
So we're trying different ones.
This one was the best.
That one's good.
So I would rate this one first. That one's the best. The So Delicious coconut milk one's the best. This one's second. I'd say this one.
Yeah, I think that
Strawberry
one's best,
Silk
yeah.
one. Maybe we should try different brands. I don't like Silks that much.
Silk are not that good.
I like
That's-
this one third. And then this one was awful. Never buy this one.
So they're all silk. except for
These
this.
three are Silk,
Oh.
which I didn't notice when I bought them, but this one is the best though. But they're different, like dairy, like milk. So like this one has soy, this one is almond, and then that one's oat. That one's so bad. But this one I would buy again.